Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again in our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Tutorial, and today I have to show you 5 amazing WhatsApp tricks which gonna be very useful and absolutely new to you. So let's go and check them out. So after the last update of WhatsApp, it has introduced us a lots of cool new useful features, and I have picked 5 best features out of those. So here you can see I am using a WhatsApp beta version. Don't worry, I'll give you the app link in my video description. And now without any delay, let me show you those 5 amazing tricks which are gonna be very useful and new to you. So the first trick, here you can see one of my friend has sent me this audio. Okay, so this feature I find that was the most useful feature provided by WhatsApp. So sometimes let's say you do not have enough time and somebody has sent you a long audio message and you want to quickly listen that message. Now in that case, if you want to speed up the audio message, now surely you can. So here I have an audio from my friend, and if I just play this, now here I have option to speed up this audio in 1.5x or 2x. So let me just play you the audio in 2x speed. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again to our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Tutorial. So as you can hear, my voice is really fast now, and now it's on normal speed. Guys, I have a request to you. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit. So now guys, you can listen to long audios in very less time. So guys, if that trick was helpful to you, don't forget to like this video. Now it's time to show you the next trick, so let's go and check it. Guys, let's say you are chatting with a person from a long time, and someday you just need to see all the messages, all kind of medias, all the details about the chat at any time. In that case, this app gonna be very helpful to show all the shared videos, all the medias, all the messages, number of messages, etc. In a very arranged manner. So in that case, you need to install this app ChatChart from the Play Store. Yes, it is available in Play Store. And now what you need to do after installing this app, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, select any contact, and click on the 3 dots on the top right corner. Then go for the option more and just click on this export chat. Now here you'll have 2 options. I'm going with the without media to show you quickly just. Okay. Now here you'll have few options. Go for the ChatChart app option, right? Click on that, and now this app will start analyzing, and it will show you all the details that all the messaging details that you shared with that contact, right? So you have total send 25 messages, 17 words, 20 medias, 0 emojis, and 2 links. And from here you can see you can see the contact, the words, and the average letter. And if you let's say you want to see which emoji you have used most, so here is another 2 options, first message and last message. If you want to see quickly which was your first message to that person, you can very easily check it from this app. You can see also the links you shared. Okay, and so guys, this app also can help you to send someone quick message without saving their number. You just need to enter their number, and then you can easily send them a message. Now guys, moving to our third trick in the list. Let's say you want to chat with some person quickly in WhatsApp, and you just don't want him or her to save your number. In that case, what you can do, you can share a link to them. What you can do in that case, you can share a link to them, and through that link they can easily chat with you in WhatsApp without even saving your number. So for that, just open any browser in your phone and search here for create.wa.link. create.wa.link. So this website will help you to generate a link for your number, and after sharing the link, anyone can chat with you without saving your number through that link. So let's say I am typing the number, and after I have typed the number, what I need to do, just click on this generate my WA link. Once the link is generated, just copy link. Once the link is copied, go to message and just send them the message. So here I want to send message to one of my friend. Here I am sending the message to him. Okay, after sending the link, so here I have the link, right? Now what I need to do, I need to just copy the link from here and go to the browser and paste it here, and let's hit OK. And once I am here, I can just continue to chat with that number without saving it. So here you can see, so I can chat with him very easily. And you can also see that the number is not saved, but still I can message with him with the help of this easy trick very quickly. So that was the third trick. If it was helpful, don't forget to like this video now. Go ahead and hit the like button. Time to show you the fourth trick in the list, and it's gonna be really amazing, I'm telling you. Guys, let's say you want to share your location with someone in WhatsApp. So guys, there is an old way of sharing your WhatsApp location, and there is another cool way which I'm gonna show you right now. You can share your location with a photo. Yes, with a photo. So, and by this you can impress your friends or maybe your girlfriend or boyfriend, right? So let me select a picture. So here I'm clicking on this picture. Now what you need to do to attach the location here, you need to go to this emoji, and here you can see this option right here. Just click on this and search here for the location which you want to share. So then you just need to tap on your current location, and once you have tapped on your current location, here you have your location shared right on your picture, and just send it. So what will happen when your friend will click on this, he can just easily see your location in the maps, right? So guys, go ahead and just try this trick to impress your friends or to help them sharing your location, right? Now time to show you the last trick in our top 5 amazing WhatsApp tricks. In this trick, I'm gonna show you how you can share a video status without showing his video. Only the audio will be audible to all of your friends when you'll set it as your WhatsApp status. So let me show you. Just let's go to the WhatsApp and let me click on the status and just set a status. Now guys, I'm gonna pick a video status. So guys, I'm gonna pick a video. So you can see the video, and let me just play it. So let me play this. So you can see it has a nice audio, right? So if you just don't wanna show your friends the video, so what you can do for this, you have two options. Either you can select an emoji or a text. So I'm gonna go with the text here, and I'm gonna just write anything, type here anything, any letter like this. And what you can do, I will just increase the size of this text like this, and just keep it increasing, and like this your video will not be shown to your friends anymore. They can only hear to the audio. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also interested in WhatsApp tricks, and don't forget to like this video. If you are new to our channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and be a part of our channel. We'll meet you soon in our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned. See you soon in our next video. Thank you.